Thank you so much for clicking on the video. This home will definitely not disappoint. My name is Devin and I'm a local Vancouver realtor. Let's take a look at a 5-bedroom, 9-bath, 10,000 square foot home in the Vancouver West area. This home was built in 2012 and sits on a 26,000 square foot lot. Enjoy. Absolutely stunning home listed by Faith Wilson at the Faith Wilson Group. Make sure to follow for more videos like these to come. Thank you.